AI agents proliferation, okay, is on increase every day. Okay, the open clause there. Okay, a lot of AI agents are there. This particular incident is something which has happened last year. Okay, in July, 18th of July last year. Okay, which is between the SaaStr, the company, and the Replit AI agent. Okay. Now, what has actually happened is the Jason Lemkin, who is the founder of this SaaStr, went on to the X and said that okay, he deployed the Replit AI agent, and it deleted the complete database. In addition to that, it did not stop right there. It also populated the database with the fake data, the synthetic data. Now, this deletion of database, okay, could have also happened with the human agency. Okay, because the humans do the mistake. Okay, it's not that we had been perfect all the time. Okay, so there are occasions where we have deleted the database, but we never had an opportunity to populate the database with fake data. At most, what we will do, okay, we'll inform the seniors and we'll restore it from the backup. Okay, if that had been the situation, also we could have escaped. Okay, but in this particular case, the Replit AI agent populated the database with the fake data. Okay, then upon the investigation, they have found, and it is said that okay, the agent okay had an apprehension on what's going to happen, so it populated the fake data. And this is something which was taken to the Replit CEO and Amjad Masad. Okay, apologized, and he said there'll be a full refund. That'll be given to SaaStr. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, the refund is actually given. But let me also tell you something. Okay, even Mr. Amjad Masad wouldn't have expected this thing to happen. The unpredictable nature of AI is still a big concern for everyone. Okay, it is learning during the training, testing, and deployment. It is also learning post the deployment from the environment. Okay, from where did the AI learn what? Say, until I deploy the AI application, I can control it. But after that, okay, there's a bit of a tug of war. Okay, what's going to happen? Who's going to control it? All these things. There are a lot of guardrails that are available. In spite of all that, the things do actually happen. So whenever you're going to deploy an artificial intelligence agent, okay, in your environment, you should always ensure that you have to segregate the activities based on the privileges. If there are activities that are done with the privileges, then it does definitely require an the human in loop approval. Okay. Now, resorting to service management is what I would say. Traditionally, we had been following the ideal framework when there's a critical operation that needs to be done. Changes or service request requires an approval. Okay, even if the humans were doing it, okay, we had been ensuring that okay, there is an approval mechanism and somebody reviews the request and all these things are happening. Definitely for the AI agent, before we are going to deploy it, this thing, okay, this approval mechanism should be there. Ensure that the AI agent does not have the privileges, okay, to do the activity much more than that. Definitely not deleting a data. Okay, so moment you see sense that these operations require a privilege account, ensure your non-human identity, which is associated with the AI subject, okay, itself is not available. Otherwise, we are going to face the consequences. Okay, one of the incidents we have a lot of incidents to discuss. Okay, the most popular failures because of AI that we need to take care. Okay, going forward, the part of the AI roadmap implementation. Stay tuned and connected. Subscribe to this channel for more news on AI, cybersecurity, and data protection. This is Subramaniam Shankaran. Cheers. Thank you.